So guys, I'm stopping by this Burlington that's like near my local mall. I've never yeah, a lot of noise walking by. But this is like my local Burlington that's it was in the mall, but they moved it in the back of the mall and it's just a lot more room. I don't think it has more things than the other Burlington store I go to, but thought I'd stop here after the park to see a couple of things. They have some cool little things like this kit. So, just walking around really. Other hair stuff. Well, TGIN stay at Bulletin, I must say. So, how cool is this little Snoopy bag, guys? I totally do want this. Look at this little guy. Ah, all the things I need to make money to buy. I know. I'm just like, wait till I get a chance to crazy shop. But that was a cute bag. But again, I'm not gonna buy it, guys. And she like, I'm such a cheapskate. Unless I see like the tags and stuff, I don't buy things. And I only buy things I need. So yeah, that happens. So haha. It is, guys. Holiday versus summer versus Preppy Place. I want one. But my wallet say you don't need one, so I'm not gonna get one. That's fun. Let's see what other purses they have. Guys, I want to try actually a blow dryer for my hair when I get out of the shower. I blow dry my hair, but I wanted to try something different, so I think I'm gonna take this. I like it. It is a styling brush, but it is supposed to dry. And the cool thing is it's ionic, tonal, curl, smooth, and volumize while minimizing styling time. So I think I'm gonna try this. And the best part is it's $7.99. So I love birds, and we have a rack of stuff just in case you guys don't know. That's something I do after a long walk. Something fun to get, right? I love coming down these beauty aisles. They have too much stuff for these. Not too much. Not enough. I love it. How cool is this box? Absolutely love it. Something I would have fun doing. A little stack has everything you need. The mask, just everything you need. I want this, but I'm too way too cheap. How much is this? Not bad. $14.99, guys. Not bad at all. Yeah, so totally going out to check out just that, really, just the hair blow dry. I stopped all the way here, guys, just to get that little brush. It's gonna be fun when I take these braids out to try it. It actually got cold in the store. Okay. So I'm like hiding under this hat. Look at this. It's actually cold in here, so we're gonna hide. And let's go pay, okay? Why is Mickey so angry? Oh my goodness. This would go so well with all of my little things for house slipper. Yes. Just how are you supposed to play this tiny arcade? How are you supposed to play this? It's a whole arcade. I'm joking. This Burlington was a lot of walking, but not too bad. Oh wow. Yeah. You walk to the car. Definitely going back. Yeah. It's open. Oh no, we're parking. Yeah, I remember the van. So we should be right behind it.